Thank you.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Good afternoon, Doak Cooks. This is not an episode where I'm going to talk about food that I am preparing. This is one where, if you figured out the videos I've done thus far, we picked up some food. So I am simply going to call out the fact that the owner of this food truck that made this incredible pizza is named Felix. And go back to the video and check out his Instagram and his website because, oh my gosh, this stuff smells incredible. We have been idolizing and anticipating and lusting after this pizza for months. So we cannot wait to try it. Oh my goodness. And for those that are more curious, every weekend these guys, families, small business owners, set up shop in the parking lot of At Home in my town. So, I think you all know I live in the Kansas City area. So if you can find At Home locations, odds are there might be some food trucks in them, particularly in the summertime. So hope you guys enjoy what I showed you because I'm not sharing anything much with you. So have a wonderful rest of your Saturdays, and I will see you guys next time I'm shooting something for all of us.
I got a broken fit. I got a